Hi guys, welcome to another episode of App Weekly. Today we're looking at 5 Android apps, and as I'm saying before, they are random. First up, we got a speed checker. So we all use speedtest.net. Well, everyone around me does, but I've seen this nice one, speed checker, and wanted to give it a go. So what it's saying is that my download speed is 3 megabits per second, which is not true. Let's compare this with speed test. Okay, so I think there's something wrong at the moment with my internet because I have a 100 megabits connection. So first up, we got 94 seconds. So first you pick up what language do you want to play in, so English, and what country are you living in. We'll pick the UK, validate. So it's going to go through some words in the dictionary, and we can start playing. 94 seconds. It's harder than I thought. Even body part with a B. Fruits with an R, which is edible. Raspberry. Modes of transportation with a W. I feel really stupid. W. That clock ticking isn't working either. Helping either. Show a wagon. Vegetables with an L. Lettuce. Musical instrument with a T. Trumpet. UK countries with a W. Colors with an S. Salmon. Units of measurements with a Y. Yards. Right, let's see what we got. Belly, raspberry. Spelled it wrong. Alright. Got a high score. Alright. Let's get on to the next app, which is called Run. Let's turn this around. Stupid ads. Right, so there's a lot of ads on it. And let's zoom in and play the game. Infinite mode. Oh. So as you can see, the game does get harder, and you can use all sides of the room. Okay, would it be nice if there was some sort of score? So you can challenge your friends instead of just doing levels. Alright. Let's try... that was easy to get out of. Main menu. Let's try Avenger mode. What does it do? Looks the same. Oh. It's not a great start. Okay, so this is a lot of fun. It's pretty addicting as well. Right, let's get on to the next app. And the next app is called Swaps. This is a great app that I personally use myself a lot. It lets you make a dockable menu launcher with all the apps that you want, all your favorite apps and all the apps. And here we are in the settings. And as you can see, this green bar means if you swipe from the top right, the bar will open like so. And there you have all your apps, which is very handy. And you can also keep a start apps, which is 3 apps that you use a lot, and the recently opened apps. So you can see we were just playing run, it will show there and you can open it again. Some of the settings here is unlock all the features of Swaps. So it's going pro, which will cost, and some options like the sweet spot. So where do you want it? You can pick if you want it on the right or the left. As you can see now it's on the left. I'll take mine on the right. And then you can pick where you want it, the top, the bottom or the center. I used to have it at the bottom, but when you type in and you click and send, it kept appearing, which was kind of annoying. So I moved it to the top. And the best thing about it is you can activate it anywhere you want. So you're browsing a website and you want to quickly swap over to a different app, you just swipe and you go back. Swipe and you go in there. It's a great app. Definitely recommend it. So let's move on to the next app, which is Penetrate Pro. You have two different versions of this app, the Penetrate normal version and the Penetrate Pro. The difference between them is Penetrate uses a database which you have to manually put in the app itself, which is about 250 megabyte download. And the Penetrate Pro uses the online database. The advantage of it is that sometimes you don't have internet, and then you'll need the offline database to reverse a SSID. So what is this app? This app goes and look at the wireless SSID, and we'll see if by the SSID, so here we got SpeedTouch 0278C4, so with that last digit, the wireless router will generate a WPA code, which is now reversible. So the app knows that a generic WPA code is being used. You just click on it, and there we have three different possibilities to try and to connect to the wireless. I'm not going to show you to see if it worked, but I think you'll see. You can click on it, copy paste, and you can try if it works. Great app if you're without wireless, but of course keep it to your own wireless and don't do anything I wouldn't. Right, and we move on to the last app, which is Google Keep. So what is Google Keep? Google Keep is like Evernote, but from Google. So what you can do is you can add notes, you can add pretty pictures, you can edit, of course, and it syncs it with all your devices, like the Google Keep website or the app, or if you're sharing with other people. And here's my recipe for pizza dough. So if I'm in the shop, I know what to get, and you can change the color of it, like so. Go back out of it, and there you go, pizza dough. If you want to add a picture, you can do so with your camera. What I didn't like about it yet is you can't add a picture from the gallery yet, only new pictures. If you want to add a picture like so, like a picture, you have to do it through the website for now. They will probably update it, but I like that it's all in one place, as I am a Google fan. I use everything from Google Mail to Google Calendar and now Google Keep. So it's just in Google Drive, of course. So yeah, it's a great little app. And of course I have it also here, Google Keep. So that was App Weekly. I hope you like the apps that I showed you. If you want to see any apps, just let me know and I'll put them on next week's shows. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and thank you for watching.